Hello all, welcome to my channel Revathi in Kitchen. Carrot halwa known as Gajar ka halwa. It's a traditional North Indian dessert made by simmering fresh grated carrot with full fat milk, sugar and ghee. The delicious dessert is delicately scented with cardamom powder garnished with chopped nuts. Carrot halwa can be made in different ways, halwa with condensed milk or kova. Depending on our choices we can make, but I prefer making carrot halwa with full fat milk. So friends, let's get started. First take 500 gram of carrot, wash and peel it and grate the carrot well. Now grate them either using a food processor or a hand grater. Young carrots are sweet in flavor and yield a mouth-melting carrot halwa. So let's start. Add 1.5 teaspoons of ghee in a pan and heat it. When it is hot, add the nuts and fry them until lightly golden and remove to a plate and keep it aside. And now add the grated carrot and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Cook it until the raw smell of the carrot vanishes and a nice aroma comes out of it. Now in this stage we'll pour 1 cup of milk, mix them well and continue to cook on medium heat. Cover it and cook for 10 to 15 minutes until the carrot absorbs all the milk and the gajar turns soft and tender. The milk is almost absorbed by the carrot. Now in this stage we'll add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, mix them well, and also we'll add 1 cup of sugar and stir. Sugar melts and carrot halwa turns gooey once again. So stir and cook until the halwa gets thickened. Just before we finish it off, add the fried nuts and garnish it. You can serve carrot halwa chilled or warm. Melting carrot halwa is ready. Friends, please try this delicious dessert and comment me in the comment section. Thank you all for watching this video.